Hey there, Smarty kids. Welcome to Emotions Adventure. Today we're going on a fun journey through our feelings. Ready? Let's go. The first stop is happy. Happy means feeling joy, like when you get a big hug or when you find your favorite toy. Are you happy? Show me your biggest, brightest smile. Next up is the emotion sad. Sad is when you feel a bit down, like when your ice cream falls on the ground. Oh, it's okay to feel sad sometimes. Can you show me your sad face? Now let's talk about angry. Angry is when something really bugs you, like when someone takes your favorite red crayon. Can you show me your angry face? Grrr. Remember, it's okay to feel angry, but it's also important to calm down. Take a deep breath and let it out. Whoa, what's next? It's surprised. Surprised is when something unexpected happens, like finding a hidden toy. Can you show me your surprised face? Next, we have disgusted. Disgusted is when something yucky happens, like tasting sour milk. Ew. Can you show me your disgusted face? Yuck. It's okay. We all feel that way sometimes. And finally, we have the emotion scared. Scared is when something makes you feel afraid, like a big thunderstorm. Can you show me your scared face? Oh no, it's okay. We all feel scared sometimes, but remember, you're never alone. Take a deep breath and you'll feel better. Great job, Smarty kids. We explored happy, sad, angry, surprised, disgusted, and scared. Remember, it's okay to feel all these emotions. They're part of being you. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. Bye bye.